So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and installing Amazon cutoff fenders on the wife's Jeep. Now she removed her fenders there last week and I told her it needs fender flares. So she went and bought some and we're going to install them today off Amazon. So here she comes around the property here. A little bit of fender twisting, suspension flexing. So as you can see, she definitely needs fender flares. So we're going to do an unboxing, looking at it, seeing what I think of it, and then basically just a review of installing them, because I've never done this before. I've never installed Amazon fender flares on a Jeep. So let's see what we got. So they came in the mail today, and the wife opened the boxes as soon as she got them. So I already had a little bit of a look at it, and I was able to see the instructions and stuff with that. Overall packaging looks pretty nice. There was a lot of foam inside the box, so no damages due to shipping or anything like that, which was nice. There is some instructions. Where are the instructions?
In the Jeep, on the passengers.
Perfect. So we have instructions here, and they're actually not bad instructions. They're color, everything like that. The only thing I don't like is there's already holes in the body here. I think we have to drill them and open them up a little bit, but we're going to be looking at that. Looks pretty straightforward. Says it takes about 2 hours to install, and we're going to see how well this goes, basically. So we're going to start installing these. We're going to start with the fronts and then move to the backs and go from there. It says tools we need is a 13 mil wrench, 13 mil socket, one drill, 11 mil drill bit, and a rivet gun, 8 mil rivet gun. Do I have a rivet gun? Anyway, we're going to start trying to put this on. First impressions of stuff out of the box. Have you opened any of these yet, Cassandra? So here's first impressions of right out of the box. Well, that's a pretty good seal job. Cassandra did a lot of looking around on the internet. These are the cheapest fender flares pretty much for this Jeep. There's a couple different ones. This one here is the Amazon brand, and honestly they are much cheaper than every other company, and you guys are going to say you get what you pay for, but they're not that bad. They're bent and welded, but they're not that bad. This one looks like it's this side. Want to go take your first look, Cassandra? That's definitely not that corner.
Looks like a rear.
It looks like a rear. Oh, that looks better.
I love them.
I don't know, there's a little bit of a gap and stuff. I don't really like that.
Doesn't bother me, honey.
Okay, well, I'm just giving a review. We're going to get this thing installed in no time and we'll go from there. So we're back here on the back of this thing, and I got to do some stuff I don't want to do to this Jeep. I got to drill holes into it. I got to drill these four, this one, and this one. These two here I do not have to drill because they get nut and bolts, because you can get your fingers around the backside. So this is the one dumb thing about this kit. You got to drill these out. So this 11 mil drill bit. Just have to elongate it a bit. Now they sell you this tool, and it took me a while to figure out how to use this tool. These are expansion rivets, basically. In the kit it says you should have a rivet gun to put them in. Drill the hole. My 11 mil is just a little small. Install. Now what you do is you hold the end of it, stop it from turning, and then you thread in the adjuster nut. What this does is it crumples the rivet inside of it. So just like that, we have it installed. Boom. It is actually a pretty cool design. It's got 2 flat washers with a groove cut in it and some bearings. So it's kind of nice that they include this with the kit, but I really don't like that you got to drill holes inside the body. So after every time, you just have to bring it back to its factory settings. And we got to drill it more holes and start over again. There's 7 per side, so it kind of sucks having to drill inside the body, into the body, but this is what the wife wants, this is what the wife gets. So we're going to continue on and do the rest of them, 3 there and 3 here. And then one thing I did notice that this kit did not include is a set of foam, basically sticky tape, to just make it so these don't rub on the body and create rust. As you can see, the plastic fenders have actually been rubbing on the body, and there's some rust that is starting to come through. It's just chipping away the paint, no real rust yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some foam tape for the back of the fender, so when we stick it on, it's actually got a little bit of a anti-vibrating, softening the blow kind of thing going on. So we're just going to do the rest of these, and then we'll be right back. So we got them on. We just have them finger tight because tomorrow we're going to be going to town and buying foam tape for them. How I view them as is they don't fit perfectly, but you're going to have to modify them a bit. No cutting, just drilling and installing those rivets kind of thing. It would have been really nice if the kit did come with the foam tape to go along them. But this is the cheapest kit on Amazon. This is basically the cheapest steel fender kit for this Jeep that we could buy. The back does not cover the tire that bad. The fronts need to be bigger. It is like, honestly... Hold on. I'll be right back. So we have this level, just about level right there. So it's only covering about half that tire. So this thing's going to be dirty all the time. It does kind of go really nice with the cutback bumper on the front that the wife actually has as well. Back ones. The back ones are not so bad, but you're still going to get quite a bit of mud throw from it. But overall, they're not that bad. So we will probably be buying inner fender wells for the front and the rear because she does want to leave these on for the winter because now that we drilled out some of these holes, I don't think the factory ones are going to go on very well. But they're on there, they look half decent, and the wife's happy. So that's my review on these. I did not get these for free. I'm not sponsored in any way. I actually purchased these. The wife actually purchased these, and I was to install them. And I'm just giving you guys an honest review. They don't look that bad, and they're actually steel, which is kind of nice. Plastic is a little bit cheaper, but maybe would have fit a little bit nicer. The steel ones don't really fit that well. Just some of the curves don't really match up, and there's going to be some gaps in behind there. So other than that, they're not bad for the price of them. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow.